everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to take care of your under eye problems. So I want to just talk a little bit about color correctors because that is the main thing when you're trying to cancel out a problem. So on my phone here, I have the color wheel. So pretty much the first thing you have to do is determine like the type of gray under your eye. So for me, my gray under my eye is usually a purple undertone. So what cancels out purple on the color wheel is the color right across from it. So if you're looking at like purple and violet, you're gonna go across and it's gonna be like yellow and green. Some people have blue under eye gray. So if you see a shade of blue, you want to use an orange corrector. I see a lot of people on Instagram like using red. I think orange is definitely a better coverage than red. So now that we went over a little bit how to use the color wheel as far as color correcting, I want to show you guys this like awesome NYX palette. So you have all the color correctors here, yellow, purple, green. So if you didn't know what these were for, now you do. I'm gonna use a little bit of this color down here and this color up here. And I'm also gonna be testing out the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, which is super awesome because I've really wanted to try this out for a while. So right now I have my whole makeup done. I just don't have concealer on it. I just wanna show how much brightening will happen after I do my concealer. So I'm just gonna kind of dip it in the yellow and a little bit in the orange. You're just gonna wanna put it right where you're trying to cover the grayness. Now that my corrector is on, I'm going to be applying the Huda Beauty concealer. So with this concealer, it actually comes with an applicator installed in it. Like that. I know you should like use it right on your skin, but I'm really afraid to do that. I always like to put it on a palette or my hand first. And I like to warm up concealer with my finger a little bit or my brush. Okay, so I put a little bit on my hand. Do you guys see this? Literally it's flawless, and I don't even think you really like need to powder over it because it like dries off pretty nice. You get coverage, but it also doesn't totally mask your skin, which is really nice. And it doesn't feel like a whole lot on your face. So what this sponge is doing, it's pretty much patting extra oil and extra concealer off of my face. So my last thing that I always do is I always do the Laura Mercier powder. I've been doing this for years. I don't think I'll ever stop. And if you have wrinkles, I wouldn't set my concealer with a powder. I would set my concealer with a setting spray. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We went a little bit over like color correcting, the color wheel, and trying out the Huda Beauty concealer, so I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys. See you. Bye-bye.